Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of drawing and our focus is on something that keeps us on track, a clock. Grab your paper, pencils and let's embark on a creative journey together. Start with a big circle in the center, that's the clock face. Now, let's add those important numbers around the clock 1 to 12, just like magic. Connect the dots, or in the case, numbers, to create the clock's boundary. Tick tock, draw the clock's hands, the short one for hours and the long R for minutes. Feel free to make those hands as funky or straight as you want. It's your masterpiece. What time is it? Time for some cool clock details. Add little lines for each minute around the clock face. Don't forget to add a splash of color to those numbers. Let your imagination run wild. Imagine where your clock might be a magical forest, a spaceship. Decorate the background with stars, clouds, or any other for an elements. Step back and admire your time telling creation. You are a clock drawing maestro. Thinking about naming your clock. Remember, in the world of art, there are no rules, just endless possibilities. Give yourself a round of applause. You have just created a timepiece that's truly one of a kind. Consider making a series of clock drawings, maybe a whole family of visible clock. Thanks for watching this video.